In this video, I am sharing a behind the scenes look at my craft room slash YouTube studio slash home office workspace. Let's check it out. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. Thank you so much to the Mom Life for putting together this collab. There will be 25 different Planner Babes YouTube channels behind the scenes look at their workspace setup. Make sure you go back and watch her first video of the collab to kind of learn about what we're all doing and to make sure you learn about the drawing. She's gonna have a prize. You should be coming over from Beauty Budget's channel, and then after this video, go over to Miss Budgets to see the next video in the collab. So I've been thinking about some of the different things I could offer as suggestions for starting a YouTube channel, and there were 3 things that came to mind so fast. A couple of them are quotes, so let me share this with you. Everyone starts from zero. So don't look at all these big channels and think this is something I cannot do. Everyone started from zero with no subscribers and no channel. The second thing that helped me more than anything else is this motto: done is better than perfect. When you're starting out trying to make videos, it is so hard unless you already have a lot of training in that background of videos, production and editing. It's a lot to learn. So just learn a little bit at a time, get your first video done for practice, and keep going. And the third tip is start before you're ready. I started out with my cell phone, which I'm using right now, a different one though, got a newer one. But you can start with your cell phone, and that's really all you need. The tips that I want to offer to move on from your cell phone is this. These are the other 3 things that I think that you really do need. Number 1 is content. Make sure your videos provide some value to the people that are watching. And that's literally the most important thing. Number 2 is lighting. You need good lighting. If we can't see you, we can't see your planner, and we can't see your stickers, we're not gonna watch. Number 3 is sound. Can we hear you? You need a microphone. Now, you don't need a specific microphone. Any microphone will do, just so that we can hear you and it doesn't have all that echoey background. Now, you can fix some of that in editing, but you need to learn how to edit. So you may want a stand. That would be number 4. Something to hold, like I have a boom. I think all of the stuff that I have you can get on Amazon, so I will try to make sure there are links to that in the description box. Under here and in a pouch, I have all my tools that I use most of the time, like X-Acto knife, lots of scissors, sticky notes, all of the things. But you know what I'm really excited about? The Planner channel is a new affiliate for a company, and I won't say who yet, but that helps organize all of this stuff. And on the way, I have some awesome organizers coming, so make sure you're subscribed so you can see a makeover of this workspace into something awesome. I'm super excited about that. So now let me turn the camera around and you can see my desktop, and I'll kind of show you how I set up to film a plan with me. Now, Christy said it was okay to show you what it looks like in real life. So here's my desktop in real life. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 planners, 5, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 planners, a notepad, lots of stickers, lots of pens and sticky notes. And oh, there's another planner. Oh, another planner. And then 2 stacks of stickers. These are all the fall stickers, because I'm getting ready to film a couple of fall plan with me's. And then I also pulled my stack of winter stickers to kind of plan for winter videos. So then I just flip that up, adjust, bring it down a little closer, clean off my desk, and we will get started decorating a planner. As far as technology goes, I did make the investment in this Apple computer so that it had the big screen and I could see everything for editing. And but I started on my phone using iMovie, and I just moved to Final Cut Pro, which is awesome because it's very similar to iMovie. It just does everything. So I'm learning all of that stuff. And then I have the trackpad and the mouse, which is awesome for editing. The keyboard that has the numbers on it, because I like that too. Totally worth the investment to have all of that for editing videos. Some of the creators in the collab have Etsy shops or Patreons or other ways to help support the channel. And what my focus is on right now over the next couple of months before the first of the year is I will be building out some classes inside the planner school. So make sure that you click the link in the description to get your free Power Plan checklist, and that will also get you on my mailing list so that you can be notified when new classes launch in the planner school. Leave all your questions in the comments so that I can help you or answer any of your questions. There's also a playlist that will have all of the videos from the collab in it, and that will also be linked in the description. Thank you so much, Chrissy, for including the planner channel in this collab of amazing planner babes. I appreciate you. Thanks for coming by, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!